In this video, I'll show you how to enable document scanning on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you want your phone to be easily able to scan any documents that you may have, all you need to do is simply open up the camera app and then navigate to the settings menu. In your camera settings, you're going to select scanning and then choose document scan. From here, just tap on the toggle like so to enable it, and you can choose to either change the scan resolution by increasing it, decreasing it, or leaving it at default. You can also choose to add a shortcut to the home screen, making it easy for you to be able to use it. Once you've done that, now all you need to do is simply grab your document and then simply lay down your document on a flat surface and point your camera towards that specific page. You should see this scan icon appearing, so go ahead and just tap on it like so, and you can see it scanning the document. So now you can just select save like so, and when you look at your Photos app, you should be able to see you've safely scanned the document. It's not detected the text, it's taken an image of the whole document and saved it onto your device. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.